Question 8. Write down the order of rotational symmetry for each of the following. So, order of rotational symmetry. If you rotate something, it means you turn it. So we're saying how many times can you turn these shapes so that they fit exactly back onto each other. So just to see how this works, I've drawn around these shapes on tracing paper now. And I've put a little arrow at the top to say where we started. So if we just concentrate on the shape on the left. So how many times can I turn this so that it fits exactly back where it was? So it hasn't fitted back on itself yet. If I keep turning, now it's exactly the same as it was earlier. I'm not back to the original point yet because the arrow is facing down. So that's one turn so far. Not fitting back on itself. And now it is. And I'm back to the start because my arrow is facing up. So that has fitted back onto itself twice. So the order of rotational symmetry for this shape is 2. Now if we have a look at the other shape, done the same thing. We need to be careful with this one because this one has parts that are black and parts that are white. So again, I've put the arrow facing up. That tells us when we've got back to the original position. So I'm going to turn it. So it's not fitted in yet. So that has fitted in now, exactly on top of each other. But if you'll notice, what I've coloured in as black is actually on the white of the original shape. So that's not as it was exactly. So we need to keep going. Now it's fitted in once. Arrow's not facing the top yet. Keep turning. Again, it's fitted, but the black is on the white section, so that's not going to work. Turn it again. That's perfect, so that's twice. And then if I turn it again, the black is on the white. Turn it again, perfect. So that there gives me 3 times. So this shape has an order of rotational symmetry of 3. And the examiner will give you 1 mark for 2 and 1 mark for 3.